welcome to 36 Seagull Street, Point Halloran in Victoria Point. We've got a fantastic 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home here. We've got side access for caravan, boat and trailer, twin carport, and if you're looking for that larger home, like bigger living quarters, the garage can be easily converted into a master bedroom, a teenager's retreat, work from home, so easily converted into a 5-bedroom home. It's fully planned, ready to go. But come on in, buyers, let's have a look inside, shall we? As you can see, buyers, this is a smashing opportunity that one of you will get to call home with this gigantic shed and workshop, fully powered shelf. You can drive right through from the side access to the end in a dynamite location here in Point Halloran, moments from the water. But the bonus is, if you've got children, you can walk all the way to school without crossing one single road, straight to the Lollipop Lady. My name is Leanne from Remax on Point, and I cannot wait to show you through this home.